Breaking news: Islamabad Sarwar Nadeem, Ghauri, Chaudhry Mansoor, Randhawa, PMLN leader Sardar Nazirullah Khan, Rubina Bibi, and other party workers have made a heartfelt appeal to the state of Pakistan regarding the situation in Rimsha Colony, Sector H9, Islamabad. In their joint statement, the leaders urged respected Qaid Mian Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif, Chief Minister Punjab Maryam Nawaz Sharif, President Asif Ali Zardari, and Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi to take immediate notice of the matter and ensure all possible support and justice for the affected residents. They emphasized that the patriotic Christian community must not be turned into a spectacle and should be granted their rightful ownership and basic rights. They also expressed concern that no government representatives or responsible officials from Islamabad has visited or engaged with the affected residents so far. Statements to form a local committee comprising community members to address and resolve their issues effectively, stating that the state is like a mother and it is its responsibility to protect and support its citizens. In conclusion, the leaders appealed to the government to play a key role and take immediate effective action in this matter.